Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add or pair a Z-Wave device with your 2GIG Edge security system. The 2GIG Edge has a Z-Wave Plus V2 version 2 Z-Wave controller in it. That's also known as the Z-Wave Plus 700 series. It's the latest and greatest Z-Wave technology over the Z-Wave 500 series. There's not too many Z-Wave 700 series devices out yet, but they should be hitting the market quite soon. We're really excited about them. They're going to have longer range and longer battery life as well. So when used with a Z-Wave 700 series controller, like the 2GIG Edge that we have right here. So the 2GIG Edge supports up to 232 Z-Wave devices, 232 nodes. It's automation platform for controlling Z-Wave devices remotely from an app or from a web browser. Alarm.com, it only supports up to 122 Z-Wave devices. Now, you probably won't have that many Z-Wave devices. Most people just have, maybe a few dozen Z-Wave devices in their home, if that many. But the odds of you approaching 122 or even the greater limit for the panel, 232, well, it might happen. You never know. But that is something to keep in mind when you are setting up your Z-Wave network. You can add all sorts of devices like lights, door locks, smart thermostats, lots of great things you can add to your system. Now you see on our 2GIG Edge right here, we don't have anything set up in the light module. We're going to be adding a light module today, a plug-in module. But that's where you will access the Z-Wave stuff, but I'll show you that when we were finished adding it to the network. Now, let's go ahead with actually enrolling our Z-Wave plug-in module that we have right here with the 2GIG Edge. Okay, so we're going to click on the settings icon, the gear icon in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to enter in our installer code, which ours is at the default of 1561. And then we're going to choose Smart Home Settings, and we're going to choose Remove Device. Now, Michael, why are we removing the device instead of adding it to the network? Well, the thing is, there might be residual Z-Wave network data inside this Z-Wave plugin module that we want to clear out first. This is always a good idea. If you have even a brand new Z-Wave device, it's always smart to do this because it might be added to a network for factory testing purposes. Now, you can clear a Z-Wave device even if it's not actively paired with a network. This one isn't. Or if it's paired with a different network, we can still clear it from the network using the Edge or pretty much any other Z-Wave controller. We're going to do it on the Edge here. We're in our Remove Smart Home Device menu option here. We're going to choose the red Remove Device button at the bottom. We're just going to wait for a second, and now it's listening. And now we're going to press the button on our Z-Wave device. And you see it says Z-Wave device removed. We'll press done. And it was a foreign node that was removed because it wasn't actively paired with this network. It didn't know what it was. It was a foreign node to it. But it cleared out any residual Z-Wave network data, so now it can successfully pair with the network. So we're going to choose done. And we're going to choose Add Device, because now we're going to add the device to the network. We're going to click the green Add Device button, and we're going to wait for it to do its thing, and now it's listening. And we'll press the button on our Z-Wave device, and found the new device. Now it's asking for the DSK code, which it's actually this 5-digit code right there, along with all those other digits, but we only need to enter in the first 5. In this case, it's 20496. Oh, not 3, 6. There we go. 20496, and we'll press enter. Now that's just for the S2 security protocol that is used with Z-Wave Plus devices and Z-Wave Plus version 2 devices, the 700 series devices. Not all 500 series devices have that feature, but all 700 series devices will. This is actually a 500 series device, but it does support the S2 protocol. So we enter in the DSK code for extra security. We'll press done, and there we go. It says a new multi-level switch was added to the system. We see that it's from Qualsys, and it looks like it was enrolled on node 3. We could go ahead and give it a name if we wanted to. Let's do that. Let's give it a name. We'll clear that out. We'll call that lighting device test. Just real fancy there, lighting device test. And we're good to go. So we'll press done, and then we'll press the home button down here in the bottom right corner. And then we're going to press the smart home button to check on the Z-Wave device, and you see that we now have lighting device test on here. And I can control it from here. I can turn it on if I wanted to. It doesn't show anything at the module itself, but that is how you would control it. And if the system were monitored and set up with Alarm.com for automation services, then we could also access the Alarm.com platform to control the device remotely as well, once Alarm.com does a refresh with the 2GIG Edge panel. But for now, let's just go home. And let's not go there. Let's just go home. And we're done adding our Z-Wave lighting module. So now we can light up the office. So that is how you add a Z-Wave device to your 2GIG Edge security system. If you have any questions about the 2GIG Edge, Z-Wave home automation, or alarm monitoring services, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.